Hey y'all, of course, spring gardening season is in full effect, so we got to get the garden cleaned up. Come along with me as I do this. I know you guys are doing it too. So, new gardening season approaching, and I decided that I needed to get rid of the Tupperware containers. As you can see, they're falling to pieces. So I reached out to Vegega and they sent me a raised garden bed. What better motivation to go ahead and get this garden area cleaned up. Last year I grew my watermelon plant here as well as a few carrots. I did a quick measurement to make sure I had enough space for my new bed. I made this bed last year and it is still holding up pretty good. So I'm gonna find a new place to put it. I did build a new wooden bed with the same measurements as the other wooden bed, so I'll be posting about that one soon. I'm definitely not getting rid of my soil, so I'm just gonna put it in that container for now. In the meantime, I found some sweet potatoes. Surprise, surprise! I decided to cover this area in landscape fabric. From prior experience, the grass and weeds are ridiculous, so I'm gonna try to minimize that around my raised beds. Of course, you always run out of material when you need it, right? If you've been following along with me on this journey, you'll know that I put this down last year. Since I'm going to put the new Vegega bed in, I'm going to extend this with some additional mulch. I won't do any more rock. Plus, that rock can be expensive. I'm going to staple the landscape fabric to the fence to try to minimize the overgrowth from my neighbor's yard through the fence line. I also found a hole where I think a little rabbit has been getting through. This will pretty much be my cleanup for my garden at this point. I can't wait to show you guys what the Vegega bed looks like in this area as well as the updated wooden garden bed. Happy gardening!